Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to share with you solved MCQs for CSS, PMS and other competitive exams from the Matter and Energy, General Science and Ability portion. In old chemistry, an effort was made to convert metals into gold called alchemy. How much proton is heavier than electron? 1836 times. Cathode ray tube is an experimental procedure associated with the discovery of electron. When an atom loses electron, it becomes charged positively, known as cation. When an atom loses proton, it becomes charged negatively, known as anion. There could an atoms of the same element which have same atomic number but different mass number. These are called isotopes. The subparticle responsible for difference in masses of the atoms of the same elements is neutron. How many rows are there in modern periodic table? 7. How many groups are there in modern periodic table? 18. Which is the most abundant element in the human body? Oxygen. Which is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. Which is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? Oxygen. The ability of an atom to attract electrons in the presence of another atom is known as electronegativity. Water which produces very little lather is known as hard water. Water having bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium or of both is known as temporary hard water. Water having chlorides or sulfates of calcium or magnesium or of both is known as permanent hard water. The disintegration of an unstable and heavy nuclei into parts known as natural radioactivity. Which radioactive rays are called hard rays? Gamma rays. The conversion of one element to another due to radioactive decay is called transmutation. When an unstable nucleus breaks into two, the energy is released. The process is known as nuclear fission. When two small nuclei combines to form a heavy nucleus, the high amount of energy is released. The process is known as nuclear fusion. The capacity of a matter to do work due to its motion or its position when it is subjected to an external forces is called energy. A mixture of two or more metals is known as an alloy. The mixture of mercury with other metals is known as an amalgam. Which type of physical change is the browning of the apples? Chemical change. The element of the group 17 of the periodic table is known as halogen. What does halogen means? Salt former. What is dry ice? A solid form of carbon dioxide. The dry ice is also known as cold ice. The pressure of the gas is inversely proportional to the volume of the gas at constant temperature. This law is known as Boyle's law. When pressure is constant, the volume of gas is directly proportional to the thermodynamic temperature. The law is known as Charles' law. When volume is constant, the pressure of the ideal gas is directly proportional to the thermodynamic temperature. The law is known as pressure law. A substance having pH equal to 7 is neutral. A substance having pH greater than 7 is basic. A substance having pH less than 7 is acidic.